Let's see, where is that little hole now? It's right there. I'm not sure if you can see this or not. Okay, anyway, there it is. We gotta get this little bugger right in there. And turn. And there it is. Now it's in. Alright, so that's the first step going backwards.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Alright, so now we're going to put the center console back in. You're going to want to put the seats backs all the way tipped back, especially if you have this here. You see that? Because this is going to get in your way. And you just tow it right in there. Get snug right inside. Just let it fall right in there on you. Look at that. There it is. Did they see this over here with this with the nut? Let's show them that nut. See that nut right there? Can you see that?
Yeah.
In the camera, honey. Can you see that?
Yes.
This is going to get in the way of you putting it in. You're going to have to lift it up so you can tuck right underneath that. And then it should just drop right in, which it does. Okay? Now we're going to need our Phillips so we can put in these two screws. You can see here? Down into this tray here. You see it? Don't tighten it all the way up until you get them both in snug, just in case. There's one. There's two. Now let's go to the front and make sure we can get these push pins in. Now you're going to have to push the nose back into this pocket here so that this pops out again. And then we can get it into the hole here. I don't think that's actually quite yet enough. You're going to have to go even further. Yep, all the way in there like that. Yeah, you're going to have to get it all the way like that so this thing will close, because we have to get it into the hole first. So get that pin all the way back out. You seeing this, huh? See that? Then you can get it in there and push that in. Beautiful. Let's do that again. And here's what it is when you took it out. You push the pin in. Now what you got to do is you got to squeeze it together and wiggle it. Let's see. Actually, not squeeze it together. You got to open it up so we can get in, and then this little bit here, a little bit more all the way through. Now it can close. See? Now we'll go to the other side of the car and put the other one in. Okay, and that one goes right here. There we go. Oh, get that little bugger in there. There it is. All right, so that's done. So what's left? Oh, now we got this part. Now your car may not look like this because I think somebody put in some fancy trim on top of this. I don't know if this is factory or not. I don't care. But at any rate, we're going to get this in here. Make sure your emergency brake is up so it'll pass. Now, let's see. This has to go back here, huh? You see this fat piece here? You see that there, hon? You got to get this in here on the side of that, otherwise it's not going to make it. Otherwise it won't go all the way down in. Now I picked this up from the front, so we have to put in the back first. There's the back. And there's the front. Done. Check the door. It works. Super. Okay, now we can put back my little book.
Yes, here.
Huh? What?
Remember?
What about those?
Right here.
Oh, that's for this. We didn't put that on yet.
Yeah, this one is here.
Yeah, those two are for here, hon.
Yes.
For the handle. The handle, okay?
Yes,
Oh,
this
we
one,
didn't
this
clean
one.
it, apparently.
This one here.
Yeah. Then she's talking
Yes.
about those on top of that. Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got that. We can release the brake handle. This is in park. There we go. We need a Phillips screwdriver. And go inside, hon. All right.
Wait.
We have 2 screws back here.
One more?
Yeah, well, I gotta move that other chair.
Okay. Casi me quedo en la
Alright, so we have these big washer screws which go into the side here to hold the back end to the frame. And these 2 screws are going to hold in the cup holder. Oh, guess what? I put those 2 screws in too soon. got tabs on top, so we're going to have to tuck it in first and then push in. Now we can put those two in. Just before you tighten it, you're going to want to push it in so it's got a nice good seal. All right. Done. That is it. Finished.
Yeah.